Hi there and welcome to SharqiDance. My name is Yame and I'm often here on this channel breaking down basic belly dance movements to help you get started on your belly dance journey or to help you practice between classes. Today I'm going to be going over a combination incorporating horizontal figure eights and horizontal hip circles. This is a really nice combination that I use a lot with my students to help them to really get the awareness of how to transition between these two sinuous movements, including feeling really where your weight is, good connecting points between these movements, feeling your body positioning so that you can transition smoothly from one movement into the other. This is a really useful combination that I plan to build on later in the future. So give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, if you have any suggestions or questions, suggestions for movements that you'd like to see broken down in the future, be sure to comment below and subscribe so that you're notified of future videos. So that's enough talking for now. Let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started, make sure that you're familiar with and comfortable executing your horizontal figure eights going back and your horizontal figure eights going forward. Make sure that you can do both, that you know which one is which, and that you can control the direction shift from one direction to the other. You'll also want to make sure that you can do your horizontal circles in both directions. So right now going to the right, make sure you can also go left. I'm linking my detailed breakdowns of all of these movements both on this video and in the description below. So if you're not familiar with these movements yet, make sure to check them out, get comfortable with them, and then come back to this video later on so that we can get to our figure eights and horizontal circles combination. Let's start with our feet a little bit further than hip width apart. Flare out your legs very, very slightly here. Soften those knees. Bring your weight back towards the heels, drop the tailbone down and engage the low belly slightly. And from here, let's go into our figure eights going back. And let's think about this figure eight as each figure eight has two loops, right? We've got looping to the right, back, looping to the left, back, looping right, looping left. So one figure eight has two loops, right and left. But let's think about it in terms of each loop. So we're gonna have one loop to the right, one loop to the left, another to the right, another to the left. So 4 total alternating. And let's count this out as 2 measures for each loop. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So an 8 count combination for the figure eights, starting on the right, going left, right, and left. Now let's pause here where we are on the left and really feel where your weight is placed, how your body is positioned. So weight totally on the left hip is slightly pushed out to the side, and we're gonna pause here on 8. Now from here, we're gonna go into our horizontal hip circle, starting from the front. So we're already on the side. From the side, we're always gonna go to the front for today's combination. So from the left, we push the hips forward, right, back, left, forward, and right, and then pause here. That's actually a circle and a half, and now we're on the other side. So from here, we're gonna start the loops now on the left side of the figure eight. So we're gonna go back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause on 8, notice where you're at. Weight completely on the right hip slightly pushed out to the side. And instead of continuing back to continue another loop of the figure eight, We pause here and get ready for our hip circle, starting from the front. So we're already on the side, we go front, side, back, side, front, side, and pause. That was a circle and a half. So from here, we start the loop now on the right side. Back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it here. And then we go front, side, back, side, front, side. Hold, looping on the unweighted side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And front, side, back, side, front, side, hold. So that's gonna be our combination. We've got 8 counts for the figure 8 going back and 8 counts for the circle and a half. This is a looping combination alternating both sides. So anytime we start the figure 8s on the left side, after we finish the circle and a half, we land on that same side where we started. We start the next loop on the opposite side. So it's always going to be alternating, first leading with the left side, then first leading with the right side, first leading with the right side, and then leading with the left side. So let's try this combination to music. I'm going to be using a rhythm track. This is Melody Rhythm at 90 BPM by Carmine. I will link in the description below where you can get this track if you want to use it for your own practice. And later on, we'll also do the same combination with the figure 8s going forward. So let's start on the right side, looping back. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and front, side, back, side, front, side. Pause, other side, loop back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold and front, side, back, side, front, side, hold, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and front, side, back, side, front, side. Hold, other side, back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause and front, side, back, side, front, side, hold. So right side back, left side back, right side back, left side back, and pause. Now front, right, back, left, front, right. Pause now, left side back, right side back, left side back, right side back, and pause now, front, left, back, right, front, hold, and right, left, right, left, pause, front, side, back, side, front, side, hold, now, left, right, left, right, pause, front, side, back, side, front, side, hold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now without cueing. And relax, shake it out. Now, let's explore the same combination, but this time with the figure 8s going forward. So let's start on the right side, going forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we started with the right hip going forward. We landed with the right hip a little bit twisted back. So from here, we'll start to circle from the front. So notice your weight placement on the right side, hip a little bit back. And then here we'll start the circle through the front, side, back, side, front, side, hold. So we hold now on the opposite side. And we start the loop from here to the front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold. So the hold is where we started this time. And then we do the circle and we end up on the opposite side and then start the loop from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold and circle and a half. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Loop forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold and front, side, back, side, front, side. Hold to the front. Right, left, right, left. So when you finish your left loop, your weight's on the right, and then go front, side, back, side, front, side. Hold. Now left side forward, right side forward, left side forward, right side forward. Make sure you shift to the left and then start the circle from the left to the front, right, back, left, front, right. Yeah, same counts, same everything else. The weight shifts are just a little bit different in the transitions from the figure eights to the circle when you're going forward instead of going back. Now let's try doing this variation of the combo to music using the same track as before. So starting on the right side with the loop going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the left, go forward 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and front, side, back, side, front, side. All right side, forward, left side, forward, right side, forward, left, forward, land on the right, and front, side, back, side, front, side. Hold, left side, forward, right side, forward, left side, forward, land on the left, and front, right, back, left, front, right, hold, and front, 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 and circle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and front, 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 and circle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right, and front, left, back, right, front, left, hold, and left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left, and front, right, back, left, front, right, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, and circle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, and front 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, and circle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold. Now no talking, on your own. And shake it out. Let's stretch out a little bit. Take a deep breath in, reach up. Breathing out, bend one knee, lengthen out that side of the body. So I'm bending the left knee, lengthening out the left side of the waist. Maybe look up. And let's come back up. Switch sides, bend the right knee, lengthen out the right side of the body. Maybe look up. And come back up, release the arms all the way down, roll the shoulders, roll forward, shake it out. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this video. Share with anyone that you think would find it helpful. And if you have any questions or any suggestions for other movements that we can cover in the future, be sure to let me know. I do read these comments, and it makes me so happy to see engagement on this channel. And lastly, don't forget to check out my website, SharqiDance.com. I teach classes every single week, including live online classes with real-time feedback and support. So if you want to learn directly from me every single week, that's where you can find me. And I hope to see you there. And if not, I'll see you here next time. Happy dancing. Bye.